Are you stuck in a rut, feeling like you can't move forward? You're not alone. Many people face challenges in reaching their full potential. That's where we come in. Our program is designed to help you break through barriers and achieve your dreams. Experience clarity like never before. Our methods simplify complex ideas, making it easier to focus on what matters. Gain confidence to tackle any challenge. We empower you to step outside your comfort zone and grow. Enjoy personalized support throughout your journey. Our dedicated team is with you every step of the way. What sets us apart? Unlike others, we combine proven strategies with a caring community for ultimate success. Ready to unlock your potential? Sign up today and take the first step toward a brighter future.